Imagine you're on a leisurely stroll through a serene park. The sun is shining, birds are chirping, and you feel a sense of peace and tranquility. As you walk, you can't help but wonder, is this simple activity actually doing wonders for your heart health? Heart disease remains a leading cause of death globally. As people become more conscious of their health, they're exploring various lifestyle modifications, including regular physical activity. Walking, being a simple and accessible exercise, has gained significant attention. While walking is primarily viewed as a preventative measure, there's growing interest in its potential role in mitigating the effects of existing heart disease. Some studies suggest that regular walking can help improve heart function and reduce the risk of complications. Ever wondered if there's a simple, everyday activity that can quietly boost your heart's strength and endurance? Imagine your heart is a car engine. This activity is like giving your engine a tune-up. With each step, you're cleaning out the carbon buildup, cholesterol and plaque, improving its efficiency and making it run smoother. Over time, your heart will become more powerful and reliable, just like a well-maintained engine. Consistent walking has a positive impact on cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and promoting better blood circulation. This form of exercise strengthens the heart and enhances overall cardiovascular fitness, which helps keep the cardiovascular system functioning efficiently. In addition, walking regularly can contribute to lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels by managing the balance between good HDL and bad LDL cholesterol. These combined benefits significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular-related complications, making walking a simple yet powerful way to support long-term heart health. How can a simple activity like walking not only strengthen your heart, but also help you feel more confident and energized? Think of your heart as a car engine. Just like a car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly, your heart needs regular exercise to stay healthy. Walking is like taking your heart for a gentle drive. It keeps the engine tuned up, prevents it from getting rusty, and helps it run efficiently for years to come. Walking is an effective way to burn calories and maintain a healthy body weight. For the average adult, brisk walking can burn around 300 calories per hour, making it a great tool for managing weight and reducing body fat. This calorie-burning effect, combined with consistent physical activity, can help prevent weight gain and support fat loss over time. Additionally, walking can boost metabolism, improve muscle tone, and contribute to a healthier body composition, all of which are important for overall fitness and well-being. Ever wondered how a simple daily activity could significantly improve your overall well-being? What if there were a way to boost your energy levels, enhance your mood, and even reduce your risk of certain health conditions? Imagine you're building a house. The stronger the foundation, the more likely the house will withstand storms and last for many years. Walking regularly is like building a strong foundation for your heart health. The more you walk, the better equipped your heart is to handle life's challenges and stay healthy. Consistent walking can significantly reduce the risk of developing chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes and certain types of cancer. Research indicates that individuals who walk regularly may decrease their chances of developing heart disease by as much as 35%. This is due to the positive impact walking has on improving insulin sensitivity, managing body weight, and promoting overall metabolic health. In addition to heart disease, regular walking also contributes to lowering the risk of other serious illnesses, making it an accessible and highly beneficial form of exercise for long-term health. Did you know that walking, besides being great for your heart, can also have surprising benefits for another crucial part of your body? Imagine your heart is a house. Walking is like regularly maintaining and repairing that house. The more you walk, the stronger the foundation your heart muscle becomes. The walls, your blood vessels, are kept clear of debris, cholesterol, and the roof, your blood pressure, is kept in good repair. A well-maintained house is less likely to collapse or need major repairs, just like a strong heart is less likely to experience heart problems. Regular walking plays a key role in maintaining bone density, which helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and makes them more prone to fractures. Walking is a weight-bearing exercise that stimulates bone growth and strengthens bones over time. In addition to supporting bone health, walking is highly beneficial for joint health. It helps lubricate joints, improves flexibility, and provides relief from arthritis pain without the strain and risks associated with high-impact exercises like running. This makes walking an ideal low-impact activity for protecting both bones and joints, while still delivering significant health benefits. Thanks for tuning in. If this video gave you some helpful insights, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more awesome tips on healthy living. Click the link on your screen to gain more insights about heart health. And remember, a healthy heart is the key to a happy life.